Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a Christmas DIY that is rustic inspired and Dollar Tree inspired as well. Okay, so if you like rustic decor, then this DIY will be definitely for you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will leave all supplies listed in the description box down below. So first off, we're going to start with this flower gardening pot that you can get from the Dollar Tree. It comes without this rope here. This is something I added for a previous DIY. I tore the DIY down so I can reuse this, and if you would like to see, I will link it in the description box somewhere up above right about now. So what you're going to need is one of these. You're going to need two of these 10 pans. You're going to need some rope here from the Dollar Tree. You will need 2 pieces of foam here. As you can see, this was already in here from the previous DIY. You're pretty much going to use the same thing. You just put a little bit glue down at the bottom, cut your foam in half, and stick it straight down in here, okay? Far as the rope used, you would take your rope and cut it and just cut your piece here. I'm actually going to go ahead and cut another piece to go around this side as well for this particular DIY. Now these are still in the store, but they look a little different. They don't have the writing on it, but if you have some that has the writing on it, I'm going to share with you how you can remove this part here using some acetone nail polish remover. Okay, so once you have your nail polish remover, we're going to take a cotton swab and we're just going to wipe that off, and we're going to do that right now. So saturate your cotton swab, and not to the point of dripping, but you want to make sure that it is really saturated because it makes it easier to rub off these letters. If you just place it on there and wait about 3 seconds and then start rubbing, it is so much easier to be removed from the pail. Moving on, we're going to take our rope you can pick up from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to embellish this galvanized pail with it. I'm going to place the rope on the upper half on either side of both handles, and then at the very bottom I'm going to do a double row of ropes using my hot glue to get it to adhere down to the pail. Now you guys, you know this is totally optional, so you can add the rope or you could forgo the rope. However, I think the rope adds a very nice rustic quality to the look. Now take a square piece of floral foam. You can get it from the Dollar Tree in the floral section. Cut it in half if it's really long, and you're going to hot glue it down to the bottom of the pail. Now here I'm sharing with you my custom-made vinyl decals that I use my vinyl cutter with. I printed out an image and I used it, and also some letterings, and that is what you see me doing. I am just transferring these vinyl letters to some tape so that I can transfer it to my pail. And if you have a vinyl cutter, of course, you can use that to get this look. You can also probably just print out on paper and maybe Mod Podge it up there to your pail if you don't have a vinyl cutter. That's just another suggestion. So I'm going to take these Dollar Tree trees and I'm going to unbox them, of course. You're going to need 2 of them, and we're going to just kind of like put a little hot glue around this base part of this Christmas tree and just kind of press it as far down as we can get it into the foam inside of the pail. And then for added security, we're going to add a little bit more hot glue around the top part of that base. Now here I'm just taking out some moss that I happen to have in my stash just to cover up the foam. Now that's definitely optional. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to. I just thought it made a cleaner look. And then there are some Christmas tree tinsels that I got from the Dollar Tree, you guys, and I am just going to add that onto my tree just to make it look a little bit fuller, because these little Christmas trees are very thin, and about 3 or so would give it a little bit fuller look. Now I'm going to flock my tree with this Santa Snow from Walmart, and then I'm going to share that you can use LED lights if you want to, and you can also add a bow if you choose to, but I did not. So here's the reveal, you guys. This is how my little rustic Christmas trees turns out for my home decor for Christmas, and I absolutely love the way that they look. I mean, I think the little truck and the lettering definitely added a more rustic look, and not only that, it made it look store-bought. So if you have a vinyl cutter, or if you're able to maybe print out an image and maybe Mod Podge it down, I think it would make the trees look so much prettier. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also share this video, please. Thank you so much, and come back to see more. Bye bye.